Hey guys, welcome to SpeakUp. Today we're going to talk about a lot of things because I have some students here and they are so smart. So check it out. Hi, how are you today?
We are fine, and you?
I'm doing great. I'm so happy because you are here. Alright, can I ask you some question?
Yes, you can.
Alright, can you introduce yourself first?
Yes. Hello, my name is Tasnima Shimanti. I'm 8 years old. I'm from Borishal, but I live Cox's Bazar.
Do you like Cox's Bazar?
Yes.
Alright, what's your future plan?
My future plan is want to be a scientist because I want to discover something new.
That's beautiful. What does your father do?
My father is an engineer.
Okay, thank you very much. And say something about yourself.
My name is Avini Muskan Arya. I'm just old. I'm from Cox's Bazar. I'm a student of Bamboo Tourist School and College, Cox's Bazar. I study in class 3.
Alright, what is your best quality?
Well, I think I'm a friendly and helpful person.
That's beautiful. That's good. And what's your future plan?
My future plan is to be a doctor because I want to help the poor people.
All right, say something about your family.
I belong to a small family. In my family, there are 3 members: my father, my mother, and me.
That's beautiful. Okay, say something about yourself.
Thank you. My name is Ahmed Rafan. I am in class 2. My school's name is Tourist School and College, Cox's Bazar. I live in Cox's Bazar.
Okay, what's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Spider-Man No Way Home.
That's beautiful. I love that too. I love Spider-Man very much. Okay, so what does your father do?
My father is a lawyer.
Good job. And tell me something about your future plan.
My future plan is to be an army because I want to help the country.
Good job. Okay. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I am fine. I'm doing great. So say something about yourself.
Hi, my name is Madhurja. I'm 8 years old. I study in class 3. My father is an engineer. My mother is a housewife.
Okay. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Wednesday Addams and Maleficent.
Okay. I love that too. Okay. So what's your future plan?
My future plan is to be a poet because I want to write poetries.
Good job. I love that. Okay. So what does your father do?
My father is an engineer and he works for UNICEF.
Good job. So, okay, say something about your school.
I study in BM Laboratory School and College, Cox's Bazar. It has a big playground. It's a really nice school.
I love that. Okay, Aurea, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Okay. And what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple and black.
Okay, I like black too. And what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Okay, do you like that?
Yes, I like yellow, but not blue. You can change it. So no, I like this color.
Okay, I like two. Okay, I'll change it.
The combination is good.
Okay, that's beautiful. But if you don't like, no problem. I'll change it, but not today. Okay. After a few days later, I'll change it. Okay. So do you like to speak up?
Yes, I like.
Okay. And do you like to speak up?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. No more today. Bye.